Hi everyone, I'm Nadia from Abode Real Estate here in Perth, WA, and today I'm with Tom, our trusted plumber from All Clear Plumbing, WA, and we are going to talk about how regular maintenance can save owners money and keep our tenants happy.
Thanks, Nadia. Plumbing issues can get very costly if left unchecked, so it's always a great idea to be proactive.
So Tom, what are the most common problems, plumbing issues our owners and tenants can face?
So Nadia, a lot of common issues a tenant or a landlord can face are leaking taps, blocked drains, water heater issues, or even a burst pipe.
And how catching those issues early can save owners money?
So by attending to a leaking tap early, not only are you going to be saving money on your water bill, but you're also preventing any further damage to the tapware or any pipework.
So let's talk about inspections. What property managers should check at routine inspections or at the final bond inspections before the new tenant moves in?
Things property managers should look for during inspections is to make sure the taps are working well, with no leaks, toilets are flushing properly, there's no blocked drains, and to also inspect the flexi hoses for any rust or deterioration.
Thanks, Tom, for that. And now let's talk about tenants. What should they be doing to prevent some of the plumbing issues, and what exactly they should be reporting to us?
The tenant should report any dripping tap or leak. They should also be very conscious about what they put down the drains, so no oil or fats down the kitchen sink, and nothing but toilet paper, poo, and wee down the toilet. It's also a good job for them to locate exactly where the emergency shut-off valve is, just in case there's a burst pipe inside the property.
Thank you, Tom, for your time today, and thank you for all the tips and valuable information.
Thank you, Nadia. A little bit of maintenance now can prevent a lot of cost and hassle in the future.
Thank you. And if you have any questions about maintenance or any real estate questions, please contact me. My details in description. And if you need a plumber, Tom is your guy. His details also you can find in description. Thank you.